Planning a trip to New Zealand? Before you travel, you must apply for a New Zealand ETA. The New Zealand ETA is an electronic travel authorization required for eligible travelers before entering the country. It is linked digitally to your passport and must be approved prior to departure. The application process is simple and completed online. First, gather the required details. You will need a valid passport and basic personal information to complete the form accurately. Next, fill out the New Zealand ETA application online. Carefully enter your passport details, travel information, and contact details as requested in the form. After submitting the application, processing begins. Once approved, the ETA is sent directly to your email and is electronically connected to your passport. There are different types of New Zealand ETA available depending on your travel purpose. The visitor ETA is for tourism, short business activities, or visiting family. The transit ETA is for travelers passing through New Zealand on their way to another destination. The cruise ETA is required for passengers arriving in New Zealand by cruise ship. Australian permanent residents must also apply for a specific New Zealand ETA category. Each ETA allows multiple entries during its validity period, with stay conditions depending on the ETA type. Apply in advance, check all details carefully, and travel with confidence once your New Zealand ETA is approved.